Hi, we're the TPU girls.
Today we will be talking about
The TPU.
Hi, I'm Layla.
Hi, I'm Lydia. Some little things about the TPU is
the TPU is designed to pick up the trash out in the ocean.
the TPU has an extrasensory drone that pinpoints the trash so the TPU can go pick it up.
You're probably wondering what TPU means. The trash picker upper.
The TPU is especially designed to help sea animals from digesting plastic or getting trash bags stuck over their head. It also injects sea animals that are sick or ill at the time. Bye. That's all for today.